How can you be talking of South, fighting for South, equity, justice, and there's a way they talk integrity? How can you be talking of rotation when yourself, Amechi, and yourself, you are from the same local government? Amechi finish, you take over, you talk of rotation. Is that a rotation? If you want to rotate, you no go do because you go say my brother don't do. Now you want say South North, and meanwhile you yourself, for you to rotate, you have to support rotation. Have you not so? Ladies and gentlemen, if you know your hands are not aching you, jam your hands together as I invite the next